Hi, everyone. My name is David Ward. It is Thursday, February 18th, 2021 at 4:06 a.m. Central Time in the U.S. Hope everyone's doing okay today. I'm doing fine. Just wanted to provide a quick update for Bitcoin US dollar before I get back to work on my projects. Again, reminder for those who have not looked at my altcoin publications posted earlier. Uh, I am not back on a regular basis providing updates. That there may be updates once a week or something like that, just only as when I feel it's necessary, it's needed to do so. So please do not send me personal messages, private messages, asking for updates on this or that to tell you when to buy, sell, hold. I do not do that. I'm just curious how many, gosh, 190. 207 messages. I know some of which are probably more than 2 weeks old, but I just don't have the time to be going through all these messages, everyone. I just don't have the time for it. No disrespect intended. The reason you see two lines here, two lines, note I have to the 1.618 and then another one to the 2.618. All right, in the 3-day time frame, we see that we have upward pressure remaining potentially until, let's say, the 3-day candle beginning February 24th. Potentially till the 3-day candle beginning February 24th. In other words, just envision the white energy crossing level 50 in the 3-day on that. It's possible that it could come down a little bit below that, but you not actually see a dip until afterwards. Just like, for example, when the white energy went below level 50 here, did we see a dip yet? No, because there was still upward pressure in the higher time frames. That's why, right? So it's possible we go up to the 1.618 at 63,359 during the remaining upward pressure in the 3-day. But if you were to look at the upward pressure, let's say in the 5-day, I haven't looked at the 6-day. Let me look at that real quick. Yeah, there's still some remaining in the 6-day. Let me get rid of that. Get rid of that. All right, but this 6-day candle began today. One more 6-day candle, then another 6-day candle, March 2nd. So it's possible we can go up to the 1.618 at 63,359, have a shakeout, a pullback, possibly a pretty good one. Could go to the 1.618, shake out back to the 1, and then up again to the 2.618 at 84K, or to my pitchfork basis at around 70K. All right, so just letting you know that even in the 5-day time, now that 6-day, remember that white energy is still going up, not even showing signs of wanting to turn down yet. So upward pressure still remains. Same thing in the 5-day. White energy still going up, not showing any signs of wanting to turn down yet. So if it were to turn down or begin turning down, then we're potentially seeing upward pressure continuing until the first week in May. In the first week in March. All right. Also, reminder: just because we have upward pressure does not mean the price action must go up significantly during that upward pressure. I wanted to emphasize that. So it's possible that we just kind of remain on top of this red diagonal trend line just testing that during this upward pressure, kind of remaining sideways, trending up, and then fall once our upward pressure has subsided. Let me look at the overall diagonal trend lines again. And this is the first time for for us to finally go above this red diagonal trend line in quite some time, y'all. Been quite a while since we've gone up above it. Now, I'd be surprised. It's possible that we can keep on going up to or near the basis, just like right here. How we went up to the basis, peaked in June. So it's possible that we go just a little bit above the red to my 1.618 eventually. Just like right here, didn't quite make it to the pitchfork basis. Same thing here, went up above it a bit, didn't quite make it up to the pitchfork basis. So it's possible just to go to the 1.618 around 63,359 and not quite make it up to the pitchfork basics yet. We may not test that until, let's say, just like how this one was first week in June, where we reached our peak and then a pullback. First week in June here would put us right at 100K. Right at 100K, testing 100K then. So it's possible we only go to the 1.618. It's possible we only go to the 1.618. And then fall, that would be around 63K. And then potentially fall back to around 42K before then going up and testing 100K around the first week in June. Go back to the 3-day. But now I think you're seeing why, like with the 5-day and the 6-day, I showed you that upward pressure continues. Be very careful about opening a short position during upward pressure. And again, I showed you previously the 5-day and the 6-day. The white energy is showing no sign of wanting to come down yet. Right, so be very cautious about opening a short position. If you do open one, it's going to be in very low time frames, and you're not going to have that short position open for very long. And it is possible to go up to this 1.618 at 63,400, let's say, pull back to 50,000, 150, and then shoot up again to test this pitchfork basis. That is possible. We will discuss that first. Let's make it to the 1.618 at 63,359. Let's first make it to that. I believe I'm going to call this one quits, try to keep this one less than 10 minutes. If you don't mind, take a moment and click like. If you're not following, feel free to do so. Certainly would appreciate your support. Want to wish everyone happy trading, and followers, you know the drill. Let's stay awesome.